I forgot to buy milk.
Good morning, Jane. What's for breakfast today?
Good morning, Emily. I thought we could make pancakes.
Yum! That sounds great. What do we need?
We need flour, eggs, sugar, and milk.
I think we have everything. Let's check.
Here's the flour and sugar. Do you see the eggs?
Yes, they're in the fridge.
Great. Now, where's the milk?
Jane? I don't see any milk.
Oh no, I forgot to buy milk.
Oh no, that's important for pancakes. What should we do?
Maybe we can borrow some from our neighbor, Mrs. Johnson?
That's a good idea. I'll come with you.
The washing machine is broken. Emily, we have a problem.
What's wrong?
The washing machine is broken.
Oh no, what happened?
I was doing laundry and it just stopped working.
That's terrible. Did you try restarting it?
Yes, but it didn't work. It's completely dead.
Maybe we should call a repairman?
I think that's a good idea. Do you know any good repair services?
I can look one up online. Do you have your phone?
Yes, here it is. Thank you, Emily.
Hi, we need a repairman for our washing machine. It stopped working.
Sure, I can come by this afternoon. What's your address?
123 My Street, Kingston.
Okay, I've got it.
Thank you. See you soon.
Did they say when they can come?
Yes, they'll be here this afternoon.
I don't have enough change. Oh no, I don't have enough change.
How much do you need?
I'm short by 50 cents.
Let me check if I have some change. Here you go, 50 cents.
Thanks so much, Alex. I'll pay you back as soon as I can.
Don't worry about it. It's just 50 cents.
Still, I appreciate it.
What did you get?
Just a soda. I really needed something to drink.